Location. 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 Beautiful 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms home located on a 0.25 acre fenced-in corner lot in move-in ready condition. No HOA No CDD, relax and enjoy this beautiful home with low maintenance for a long time. This great block home has all updates done in 2017, new roof, new insulation in attic, new eaves, new water heater, new windows, new gutters, new vinyl fence, fully updated laundry room, bathrooms with new walk-in shower and master bedroom, new patio sliding door with beautiful surround custom interior molding, new crown molding throughout, new laminate flooring in kitchen, dining room, living room and hall area, vinyl tile in rest of bedrooms, new paint inside and outside, concrete driveway and new paver patio from front to rear yard. You are going to love the beautiful landscape with new palm trees that give a tropical feel with extra added palms for more privacy on side and rear yard areas. There is a large, covered lanai with an attached all-screened-in lanai section overlooking the rear yard. Plenty of storage for all your tools and treasures. Backyard faces south, which will make a great area for a pool if the 30 by 12 shed is removed by new owner. There are also 3 other sheds, a 10 by 12, 8 by 10 and an attached 12 by 3 shed, all in excellent condition. There is a TV/media family/office room with closets for more storage. This home is centrally located and across from Florida State Fairgrounds South entrance. Only a 4-minute drive from I-4, 7 minutes from I-75, 3 minutes from Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, 10 minutes to Home Depot and Brandon Mall shopping areas, 20 minutes from Tampa International Airport. Cash/conventional. Call for a private tour today.